Hi everyone, welcome back. And just a revision of Content Hub, what we have just covered so far. So we have two flavors of the delivery stack. One is on AWS, but another one is on Cloudflare. So for storage, one uses Amazon S3, another one uses Cloudflare R2. Okay, and then within that storage, we have three type of buses: the media bus, the content bus, and the code bus. Code bus is for code, which will of course will have repositories, code, and configurations. Content bus is for content, path addressable storage. Basically, for example, your pages, etc. You can just relate it with that. And media bus is nothing but the objects. So for example, images, videos, etc. And of course, just to take the example, I will highly recommend you go and learn at least one storage concept of either S3 or Cloudflare R2, because then you can relate it. It's very easy. They have the concept of bucket, S3 bucket, in which if you store the items, then it will be kind of you can directly access it. It will form a URL. So it is same thing, addressable storage. And then we can configure CDN also on Amazon S3, so that we can directly fetch the items directly from S3. So that is why it's the document says be served directly from the CDN. To be true, I mean, if we learn the cloud native concepts, right? The cloud concepts, the storage concept, how do we use the CDN, whether it is CloudFront, Fastly, or any CDN, right? Concept is same, and that is why the relation, right, to relate it with another technology, it will be quite easy. So that is it. I will continue in the next videos. I will continue for other remaining topics in edge delivery, and then we will jump on to the demos. We'll get our hands dirty. Thank you so much for watching.